Welcome to Adi's Adventures.
Hi, my name is Adi.
Adi, today we are going to do a small science experiment, that is walking water. Do you know that water gonna walk?
How?
You don't know?
No.
It's very simple experiment, Adi. You're gonna have a fun by doing this. This is very simple experiment. For this we need some kitchen towels, water, and 7 glasses and some food coloring. First, you have to take kitchen towels, and can you fold it, Adi, one by one? One by one. Fold it into half and again into half like this. Please do it neatly like this and fold it into half. Okay, like this and half. And you have to pour the water in alternate cups. One, two, three, and four. Adi, can you put color? One color in wherever the water is there, okay? Put some 2 drops. 2 drops is enough, okay? Okay. 2 drops. 1, 2. That's enough.
It looks like blood
Yeah.
from Granny Bat.
And you want to put another color here. Okay.
I already have one.
Okay, I'm helping you, Adi. 2 drops, okay? 1, 2, that's enough.
I didn't do it. I didn't move that.
Next, in this glass, color please. This 1, 2, yeah, enough. And last.
Oh, it's really hot.
1, 2, yeah, good job. Can you get a spoon and mix it up, Adi?
Where is your phone?
Spoon, yeah.
It's foamy.
Can you mix it up? Yes, good job. This one. Adi is 5 years old. It's very tough to make him to do these sort of experiments. But he's having fun though, doing these sort of experiments. Right, Adi? Good job. Then put it here. Yeah. Kitchen towels and put it like this. Good. Next, take one more. Good. From here to here. Do you want me to push some more? Yes. Next, take one more.
They're coming off.
Yeah, just fold it, Adi. From here to here, here to here, here to here. Good. Good job, Adi.
They're
Next, take one more.
They're walking. I just saw they're walking.
Here. Water is walking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know how the water is walking, Adi? It's due to capillary actions. Due to capillary forces, capillary actions, they are moving. And after some time, you're gonna see in some glasses, water is not there. You can see the water in empty glasses. Take one more.
Oh no, more.
We don't have?
No.
Hold it. Good job, Adi. You did a good job. Walking water. Water is walking. Can you see the water is walking?
We're gonna go walk,
Walk,
walk, walk,
walk, walk, walk, walk,
We're gonna
walk.
go over.
How the water will go, Adi? Ding, 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 ding. Right? So, are you having a fun by watching this? Yeah, it's gonna go. Can you see, Adi? Here, the water is there, and here water is there, and here water is there, and here. But water is not there here. Do you notice that?
Yeah.
And here water is not there, and here water is not there. But if you leave for some time, due to the capillary action, the water gonna flow through this kitchen towel, and it gonna come here. Why that? And now you can believe that the water can walk. Thanks for watching.
Like this.
No, not it, Adi. We have to wait for some more time. After that, you're gonna see how the water gonna fill in the empty glasses. Okay? After some time, we will be back. Adi, after 2 hours, look. Okay, now you're gonna believe that water can walk? How water is walking, Adi? Can you tell?
It goes there's holes.
Hmm?
That's why it's walking.
Oh, holes are there. It absorbs, Adi. Whenever the water is there on the floor, if you put the tissue paper on that, what will happen? It absorbs, right? Hmm? It
Yeah.
absorbs, right? What are you doing, Adi?
Mixing it.
Yeah. Uh, First it was empty, this is, right? Nothing is there in this. But it came, water is there. So the blue and red mixes together, it gives,
Purple.
and this is empty first. Blue and yellow mixes together gives
Green. Dark green.
dark green. It looks like a olive or
No,
green,
it's the
Adi.
dark green.
And green yellow mixes together, it gives
Light green.
light green. Wow, look at this. So this water is moving from one glass to another glass. It's mainly due to capillary action, Adi. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.